Okay, so pretty much today I'm going to show you some basic skills of shaving. Probably most of you know about this, but for those who don't know the basic, how to shave, this is a quick tutorial on how to do it. So number one, I have my razor, you know, and what I'm going to do is I pretty much fill my sink with water, preferably hot water. So after my sink has water, what I do basically I make a line, you know, make a line over here on my sideburn and make another line on the other side too. Oh, okay. So next, what I do is I lather, using my beard. Oh, make it pretty nice and lathered. Yep. So or the basic thing first you have to do is slide down, shave down, rinse it up. you know get yourself a nice clean shave. When you get to the neck, I prefer not going up, but go down through the neck. Nice clean shave. All right, when you're done, rinse it up. Take a piece of cloth, wet it up, make it nice and warm with warm water. So, wow, nice and clean, shave. You see, well shaved, cleaned up. Oh, looks nice. So one final thing, remember you had water in the sink. It's pretty basic, but don't forget to clean up your mess in the sink, or else you won't like it. All right, so that